This is our new digital warehousing solution. We're so happy to be able to launch it and show it for all of our clients. We've been beta testing it for the past 6 months and have had serious success. Now, what do I mean by this? We've seen over 30% reduction in warehousing costs. We've seen over $120 saved on average per order. We're seeing over 30% increased revenue for our clients. And what does this mean ultimately? It means that you're having $0 in warehousing costs, which means all your other items are now having a reduced warehousing cost. It means that you have a higher cash flow generation because you're no longer having to stock those items. And it also means that you're now producing better quality products because you have a industry partner that's got a QC at every part, not just every 10, 15, 20 parts. Now, first of all, what is digital warehousing? We can see if you're looking at this through our website, you can or click the link below to see more. And digital warehousing is where we reproduce some of your existing products or create an item for you. This is very common within our e-commerce range, and we actually fulfill and produce that part as it's ordered, less so than actually stocking the part. Now, this is really good, and we've seen great success for industries where orders say sub 300 pieces a month. This has been a huge game changer for those industries. Think automotive, reproduction parts, OEM parts, as well as that small items in larger catalogs. We've had a massive success in seeing that industry. It's very cheap to set up, it's very affordable, and frankly, it's a new experience, and I'm going to be running you through what it's like to see on the dashboard. Now, we have linked as well with people's web portals and Shopify products, but I obviously can't show you those because it's client data, but I will show you what it's like to order a part through our online dashboard. So if you come up here, I'm logged into my personal online dashboard here on ripleydynamics.com. I go ahead and click on catalog, where we have already loaded in all your files in the backend. And for every part that you have, we can actually modify, create a part. Now, generally, if you're doing digital warehousing with us, you'll save about 10 to 15% on your warehousing costs. On your off-the-shelf costs, as I would suppose, your off-the-street costs with us. So all you have to do is go ahead, and you can see here in our online dashboard, it's got our information, it's got projects, quotes, requests. Obviously, this is a dummy account, but when you come here, you can generate a quote for existing products. You can see your existing orders. So when you actually place an order through us, it'll come up here, and you'll be able to see where it's tracking. So when we're manufacturing your goods, whether that be SLS, SLA, FDM, CNC, injection molding, whatever it may be, it'll show up here, and you'll be able to see the status and progress of it. It's a really big feature, and honestly saves me a lot of emails. So you'll be able to see, as we click through here, the requests and projects is something that we'll get onto at a later date, but you can see this here. Once a customer has placed an order, you can come in here and place an order for a gasket. Say somebody buys a gasket off your e-commerce site or your website, you can actually come here, click it, go to cart, and once you've got your cart here, you can see all you have to do is submit the order and go ahead, select all. Say you've had 150 orders for that day, we can actually come in here and add that as 150 and then click it. Obviously $1,000, 150 orders, it's quite affordable. And then once you've done that, you've got your parts, click submit order. And then once you've done that, we come in and we'll send you a confirmation email within 24 hours, and your parts get added to our manufacturing queue. Generally, that's about 24 to 48 hours to dispatch. If we are packaging and everything for you as well as a third-party logistics, that's also something that we can do. So that's generally a run-through of our digital warehousing. If you have any questions, if you're on YouTube, click the link below and you can follow through. If you are on our website, comment or contact us, and we'll be able to get back to you. Thank you.